Guys, sorry I can't record with Chip anymore. You can be in some of my videos, but I'm turning back to the name, back to Charlie. Charlie plays and reacts again. But one thing. Oh yeah, my network. We just can't record with each other, so that's why we're doing this. I hope you get this news because it's really sad. I'm sorry. Goodbye, like and sub. I'm really sad. Well, I really need to do videos, so bye bye. I can't do it really because I feel like we don't make videos anymore together. So, bye.